Volusia.
miles per hour.
TOR
Hazard,
Volusia.
tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Volusia County, including the following locations: Eldridge. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving Orlando. Tornado warning for the following county: Orange, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Orange County in east central Florida until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Orlando International Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Avalon Park around 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wedgefield around 4:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Meadow Woods. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, or near Haulover Canal, moving east at 30 knots. Additional scattered lightning storms will push rapidly off of the Brevard coast through this morning and will also be strong. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Move to an interior impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, Klondike Beach, Waylanda Beach, Haulover Canal and Lagrange. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Tornado warning.
Craving food, but you're not entirely sure what you're wanting. You trap black hair and brown eyes. In the area of the 2005 good block of Turkey Lake Road in Orlando, Florida, who was last seen wearing a Adidas Suzy. The child may be in the company of Keira Lawson, a black female, 5 feet 1 inch tall, 150 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. The Navy traveled in 2011. The youngest in order was a tag number QXYX78. The
Get off
vehicle
my
made tinted
already.
windows and black rims. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Orange County Sheriff's Office at 407-254-7233 or 911 pound Flimber.
That came out of nowhere. Shoot.
Activate if needed for a couple hours during the late afternoon and early.
Oh, here we go. What? 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 Oh, shit. Yes!
The National Weather Service in Washington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Polk County and Central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
What?
At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Haines City, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail.
What?
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected.
What?
Locations impacted include Point Siena, Winter Haven, King City, Lake
What?
Alfred.
Yo! That came out of nowhere!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.